Hello, Banyan community. It's Mel here, and I'm checking in to share with you what it looks like going forward when you're signing up for an event. You know that we are a nonprofit 501c3, and we live and thrive off of the kindness of your donations. Whether they are large or small, any income that comes into Banyan is put directly back into programming. This allows us to hire fantastic practitioners, pay them a living wage, and any other additional costs. You're going to see classes in person. Some classes will be online only. Some classes will be in person and online. We've always aimed to make sure that you have access and opportunity and experience. You're going to see a sliding scale feature going forward. What does that mean? Well, it means you're in control. Sliding scale could be as low as $3. So what you're going to do is you're going to decide, what is the class valued for you? Or what can you afford right now? Maybe it's $3. Maybe it's $5. Maybe it's $15. But you have that power. Now let's say that even $3 is just not in your budget right now, and there's a class that you really need to attend. You're going to see a code, Sister Support. 20% of every class that we hold will have Sister Support program tickets available. Now, these tickets are reserved for people, sisters, and those family allies that really want to attend, but they just don't have the means to right now. Now, what happens if those tickets are gone and you really need support? You're going to email info@banyanwomen.org, and we're going to work through this. Our mission has always been to give access. It will always be that. You are important. Your health matters. Your mental health matters. Your joy matters. And this community cares about you. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I look forward to supporting you into this brand new open world that we're experiencing. Stay healthy, stay grounded, stay educated, and we'll see you soon.